Introducing borrowed poems. Today we are going to watch a video with Kwame Alexander, and then at the end of the video you're going to write in your own journal your own borrowed poem. Let's begin. Welcome back, students, for another poetry lesson. And in this time, to borrow a quote from T.S. Eliot. You know who that is. Ask your teacher, pretty famous poet, who said the following, and mature poets imitate. Mature poets steal. Wait. No, caution. No stealing, people. Let's use a synonym. Let's say borrow right today. We're going to learn about borrowed poetry. What is a kind of poetry that you borrow? It's really simple. You take another poem and you sort of borrow from that poem and make your own. It's the easiest form of poetry I've ever came across, and I love it. Let's start with William Carlos Williams, a really awesome poet who was a doctor, and he was a doctor and a poet. And I guess he was a doctor in case he needed to have a career to fall back on. Pretty amazing poet, too. And he wrote this amazing poem called This Is Just to Say. Let's see if I can remember it. This is just to say. I have eaten the plums that were in the icebox, and which you were probably saving for breakfast. Forgive me. They were delicious, so sweet and so cold. Isn't that a great poem? So what do we go over here to our board? And you see I have taken away some of the words. So in a borrowed poem, you add your own words. I have taken destroyed, some verb that will give us some action. Let's say I have taken we can't say plums because William Carlos Williams said plums. The cookies, perhaps we could add cookies. I have taken the cookies that were in the, I don't really want to say icebox because that's what William Carlos Williams said. I'm going to say jar. I have taken the cookies that were in the jar. Now we can create our own borrowed poem and make a totally new original poem. Well, not totally, but we borrow what's borrowed. Now, I would like for you to write your own borrowed poem using the sentence starters. Feel free to use the words taken and cookies and jar to get you started, or take those words away and insert your own words and make your own borrowed poem completely original. Continue and write 3 stanzas. So if you look here, there's stanza 1, stanza 2, and last stanza 3, filling in the blanks. Good luck, and I can't wait to read your borrowed poem.